Good morning. As you know that all the indicators give buy and sell signals, or in other words, the purpose of all 168 indicators in the stock market have one purpose, that is to give buy and sell signal. But the most effective advanced indicator is RSI. How it is? Let us check together with the trading strategy. First of all, friends, let us have some basic understanding of RSI, the momentum indicator, and a leading indicator. That means it tells you in advance that if you buy today, you are going definitely to make profit in the future, and it will almost tell you correctly. How it does so, we will see it, but let us check first of all basic about RSI indicator. So friends, as far as RSI is concerned, this you can see here, this is RSI indicator 14. 14 means that profit and loss is calculated on a period of previous 14 days, and it informs future what is going to happen. The formula is made in such a way. Friends, you can know here that 50 is a middle line here. Above 70 it is in the overbought zone, and below 30 it is in the oversold zone. Whenever RSI is in the oversold zone, that means below 30, it is indicating that the prices are very low and the share is likely to go up. Rather, it will definitely go up. Similarly, above 70, it shows that the stock is overbought and the prices are likely to fall. So friends, this actually zone is overbought zone above 70, and this below 30 is oversold zone. RSI moves between 0 and 100. The formula is so designed that RSI never goes below 0 and it also never goes above 100. Friends, intraday trading is not suitable with RSI because the setup needs to be changed. RSI is most suitable for, believe me, swing trading only, which could be from 2 days to couple of weeks or couple of months. RSI cannot be used alone because in many instances it has been seen that once the RSI goes above 70, it remains there for a very long time, as you can see here, and when actually to sell is little difficult. So RSI can be best combined with the moving average to have the best top selling and bottom buying. Friends, in any case, bottom buying with RSI we are doing at RSI 30 only. You can see here, this is RSI 30. 30 means from 30 below it has come over 30, 31, then there is a buy. So this is actually the Nifty which I have taken. Let us check with the two stocks and try and make some kind of strategy with it. Friends, as I was telling you here, that there are three formulas for calculating RSI. I use in my setup NSE guide, that means National Stock Exchange formula, and you can see here it was this is Thermax. So around, if you really see here, it is 30. So I will just go and say 30 around here, 2007.5 it has given a buy signal, and this has actually gone up. Right now, Thermax, friends, you just see here it is showing RSI is 39.77 with one formula, and now I will show you that same thing, the calculation, because the formula is different, how it works. Now here you see it is 46.87. You can see here 46.87, 46.87. Same day trading which has ended. Therefore, because the formulas are 2, therefore the RSI value is differing. However, friends, in my opinion, this NSEguide.com gives the best RSI in oversold zone. That is, this formula is the best according to me, right? Now, so we have actually seen that if you want to earn huge money, preferably you must go to NSEguide.com oversold stocks, and you will have this page before you, and you can see those stocks, those strong stocks which have performed well in the previous quarter, and they are at RSI 30. See, this almost guarantees 100% that you will make money. Nevertheless, I have shown you two things here, Thermax, and the second the stock which I am taking is Ace Construction. Ace, fine, splendid results it had given in the second quarter. Now you can see here the RSI is showing 36.1, and yesterday the price was 820, around 800 and say 15. If you get 5-10 rupees less here, I think this could be a beautiful buy and for making money. Friends, we are going to check now on the real chart what it happens. This is also real, there is no doubt this is also real, but technically let us understand here. So, friends, as you can see here, this is the chart of Thermax. Thermax, if you see here, it has made you see, friends, the Thermax has made here a head and shoulder pattern. Just let me so this is one shoulder, this is another shoulder, and this is head. So it has given a reverse head and shoulder pattern, and this pattern actually is very, very strong pattern. It almost decides that the stock actually will go up. Now if you really see here, I am just taking this thing to the neck. When I take it to the neck here, you can see here, this is the neckline. Now the height of this line, you can see here, same actually what will happen is this height again will be, the target will be somewhere around, the neckline is around 2650, and the target will be somewhere around 2825. So this is actually going to be our next target. I will just do it little fine tune it. This is exactly what it is telling, but I think this actually will be somewhere 2800. So another 100 rupees, you know, you can conveniently think that it can go in for 10-15 days very effectively, or definitely before the Q3 results come or nearly Q3 results come, the target you can take is of 3100. That means almost 15% from here in 1.5 months time. Friends, what else do you want? Thermax gave excellent results, and it is at RSI 30. As I said, all indicators give buy and sell signal only. So if you get at this price also, if you take, because you know what has happened here is, if you see the moving average and the blue price line, they are more, they are in the direction. And if you see on the wristwatch, this pink line, which is actually the moving average, is almost on the wristwatch showing 10-10. So it is a perfect buy. You can go. But friends, just keep one thing in mind, that whenever this price line touches or crosses the pink line, that is a moving average of 2, you have to come out. Fine. If you keep it up to Q3 results, you will conveniently get 400, 450, even more. And I must tell you that Thermax I have already purchased quite a lot here. Let's see what happens. The next is Action Construction Equipment. Friends, the results were grand and simply grand. You see here it has made a descending triangle, or it has made it is not exactly a pendant. Let me just check if it is a pendant. It is a pendant, actually it is a pendant. So friends, what happens now? Here the RSI is showing, here this Action Construction RSI was showing 36. It is beautifully placed. It has to go beyond 70. So if you get it somewhere around 800, say it is 815, it has closed yesterday. If it goes, if you are able to buy around 805, 895, 795 to 800 and around 800, I think that could be a fantastic buy, and you can be rest assured that you will make profit before the results of Q3 are announced for the year 2024. Friends, you must be seeing that for the last couple of videos I am taking RSI. Why I am taking RSI? Because it tells you in advance what is going to happen, and it is a momentum indicator which shows a very positive and accurate response. Now you see here RSI is showing decline. Possibly that's what I say, if you get it around 800, there could be nothing better than this. But don't miss the opportunity, do not miss the opportunity of earning money, say roughly about from 800 to 880, 809, or 908 crosses. You will make 10-15% in next 1 month's time. Rest is up to you. You check with your broker. RSI is a very powerful, strong indicator at RSI 30, giving you a buy signal. Fine. Sell signals can be coordinated with a moving average. You can keep 2, you can keep 3. I think more than 3 you should not keep. And someday I will discuss with you that why I am insisting on moving average of 2, which I generally operate with. So friends, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Let us earn money together, always, daily. I say daily. Thank you very much.